Welcome. Today, we're diving into the common issues surrounding Australian passports and visas and how you can effectively solve them. First, let's explore some common passport issues such as lost passports, expired ones, and incorrect personal details. The good news? Each of these has straightforward solutions. Next, we will talk about common visa issues like application rejections, delays, and missing documents. We'll guide you on how to address these effectively. To navigate these issues, it's essential to use official Australian government resources. They offer up-to-date information and assistance for passport and visa inquiries. Don't hesitate to reach out to the Department of Home Affairs. They are equipped to answer your questions and help you troubleshoot your concerns. Utilize online tools and portals designed for visa applications. They can streamline your process and make submissions easier. If you require immediate assistance, visiting the Australian Passport Office can be helpful. They provide face-to-face support for urgent issues. For complex issues, consider consulting with immigration lawyers and advisors. They have the expertise to guide you through tricky situations. Local embassies and consulates often play a crucial role in helping Australians abroad with passport and visa matters. Be sure to reach out to them if you're overseas. Finally, we'll share some tips for a smooth application process, such as maintaining organization, checking requirements, and submitting documents on time.